All right, y'all, welcome back. This is Becoming a Better You. This is gonna be episode 3. And I'm gonna name this one Step Out of Your Comfort Zone. Yeah, we're gonna name this one Step Out of Your Comfort Zone because I know a lot of people have a fear of being seen, but the only way to get over that fear is you're gonna have to step out of your comfort zone. Like for real. Now I know it is very hard to step out of your comfort zone when you're so used to a certain routine. But I'm telling you right now, the only way to get out of your comfort zone is to do the unknown. You have to be fearless right now. There's many ways that you can do so by stepping out of your comfort zone. And it could be with baby steps. It could be with just taking a different way to work sometimes, a different commute, making a different choice for lunch. Maybe you don't need that biggie bag from Wendy's. Go try like a salad or some Mediterranean food, or just get out of the routine that you have set for yourself, and it's not really giving you no results. Like if you just continuously keep doing the same thing over and over and over again, like everything's gonna just be the same. If you're tired of being tired and you just constantly are doing these same things and you're not changing anything up, that's what you're going to continue to keep being tired. So the plan is for you to just not be scared. Try a new hair color, try a new wig, start doing makeup. I know a lot of girls who would love to wear makeup, but they feel like, oh, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm scared. You have to at least try though. Practice, sit in the mirror and practice. Like it's not hard. If you think it's hard, then it's hard. If you think it's easy, you're right too. All about mindset, all about mindset. So just getting out of your comfort zone, getting out of your own way. You're just gonna have to do things differently. You keep saying you want to lose weight, you want to be healthier. All right, so make healthy eating choices. You don't always have to skip breakfast sometimes. I understand the hunger pains. I get it, but I rarely eat breakfast. I'm not a breakfast girl. There's some days I make myself eat breakfast when I have to go like lift in the gym and stuff, but you're gonna have to change some things up. Go outside. Go outside by yourself. Start making different connections. Go network with people. I be going places now. Well, I've been doing this for like the last 2 years, and by myself, by myself, by myself. Music, concerts, out to eat, the movies, museum dates. I take myself on museum dates. You're just gonna have to get out of your comfort zone and do not wait for anyone else. Like, you want to change, right? You want to be better, right? You want to become a better you. You want to start doing different things and experiencing life in a different way. Then you're gonna have to change some things. Keep doing the same things over and over and over again. It's not gonna change anything unless you're looking for a certain result when that pertains to like going to the gym and eating healthy. But if you really want to change your life, baby, you gotta stop being scared. And I get it. It's scary. The unfamiliar is scary. I get it, but how bad do you want it? How bad do you want it? Like you don't have to be in that mental prison and think there's no rules to this shit. Understand that. There are laws we have to abide by in this damn country, but there's no rules to life. And if you think there are rules, break them. Break them. I've been having my way for a very long time because I don't follow the fucking rules. There's no society rules for me. I do what I want. That's why I talk the way I want. I dress the way I want. I show up the way I want because I'm me. And you have to be you. Like, show up as your authentic self and really get out of those, get out of your comfort. Like, stop being scared, yo. Stop being scared. That ass. Like, this is so important because I get it, the fear of being seen. But do you still want to be in the same situation, complaining about the same problems? You're gonna have to switch it up. You may, even with men in relationships, you may have a type. You may have to go get out of that comfort zone and go seek, not even seek, because what's meant for you will actually find you. But start dating different type of men. You maybe might open your eyes. You understand? Start going to the library. The library is very peaceful. and it's nothing but information here. You ain't been to a library in a while, go get your ass a library card. Go to the movies by yourself. Go make a reservation for one somewhere, a nice restaurant. Treat yourself to a nice steak dinner or something like that. Do not wait for people. Do not wait for people. Do not wait to experience life and all the things you desire because you're waiting on other people and you're looking for that validation from other people. Nah, we off that. Today, I want today to be the day that you tell yourself everything changes. Everything changes. Like, when's the last time you tried something for the first time? I want you to tell yourself that today is the day everything changes. I challenge you to do something today that is out of your ordinary, something that's like out of your normal routine. I truly challenge you to just do something for the first time. Go play in makeup today. If you don't know how to do makeup, go work out for 15 minutes, seriously, because the life you want, it awaits you, but you're gonna have to stop being scared. You're gonna have to stop being scared. Now, I can speak life into you all day, but none of that is gonna matter unless you believe. You could sit, you could listen to my videos, take what resonates with you, but nothing is gonna change unless you truly believe and you actually put in the work. Because I promise you, the life you truly want, it is there. It's available. You see certain things. You see how other people are living on the internet and all these things. So that means it exists. It's attainable. And you could do it. If someone else did it, you can do it. And there ain't nothing new under the sun. There is nothing new under the sun. So don't think like, oh, I can't do this. This might be too saturated or this, da, 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 da. Baby, ain't nothing new under the sun. Go walk down a bread aisle. Mad different bread. Mad different brands. You think niggas stopped because Wonder was lit? No. No. Niggas kept making bread. Because that's what they wanted to do. And I need you to like really have that mindset. This should be nothing that should be stopping you from what you truly want to accomplish in life. Nothing. Nothing. Remember that. Nothing. 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 You just have to believe, babe. You just gotta believe. You just gotta believe. And once you make that shift in your mindset, like I can have this too, lock in. Lock in. Seriously. You're gonna change your whole life and everything's gonna start coming in abundance. Everything's gonna start coming in abundance. But you truly have to just get out of your own way and stop being scared. Stop being pussy. Nah, but that ass. Like, just get out your way. You see how I just laid this wig? This came with practice. This came with practice. My first install, baby, looking crazy. Practice. You're gonna have to practice. And I've been wearing wigs for a very long time, probably in my 20s, honestly, when it was super trash back then. But practice. I have to get out of my comfort zone. I have to get out of my comfort zone. I want my wigs to look a certain way. This shit like it's coming up my scalp. Practice. Practice doing the unknown. Practice getting out of your comfort zone. It's all gonna be worth it. I kid you not. I kid you not. And then you're gonna be so proud of yourself, like, oh my God, I did that. I remember the first time I went to a show. I went to a music show. Went to go see one of my favorite groups, The Locks, and I was by myself. And ever since then, I do everything like damn near by myself. And I have a blast. And I have a blast every time. So I want you to just set a goal for today, just something that you've been wanting to do. Maybe you've been waiting on someone. Like, fuck that. You're not waiting on nobody no more. You're doing this for you. You're doing this for you. Get out of that same old boring routine that has been keeping you complacent and go live, my baby. Go live. There's so much in this world to experience and so much life to be lived and enjoy. And enjoy. Like, where's my listening? But yeah, I just wanted to come make a quick little video while I get myself together. Hopefully some of this resonated with you. Take what you can from it. and apply it to your life. And I promise you, things will just start changing. Things will just start changing. Like, you have no idea, but again, you have to believe. You just have to believe. And you got this. You got this. I told you before. I am here with you. I'm here to be supportive. I'm here to push you. I'm here to just see you level up and get all the abundance that is coming to you, but you got to clear some of them blockages. Okay? Step out of your comfort zone today. Do something today for the first time. I'll catch you in the next one.